Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if 5G is not working on your iPhone. So let's get start the video. So first of all, guys, make sure that your iPhone is supported with the 5G. So there are some method I'm going to show you that you can follow to fix this problem. So first of all, guys, make sure that you have selected the 5G. For that, go to setting, click on cellular, click on cellular data option, click on voice and data, and here you will get the 5G option. Then make sure that you have selected the 5G. So once you have done this, close the setting. Also make sure that you disable a dual SIM line on your iPhone. And after this, guys, make sure that you remove the SIM from iPhone and put it again. It can fix your problem. So turn off the low power mode on iPhone. For that, go to setting, click on cellular data options, and here you will see the low power mode data, low data mode. Then make sure that you turn this off. So once you have done this, make sure that you updated your iPhone to the latest version if your iPhone is asking for the update, and if there is any update available on your iPhone, make sure that you download and install that update on your iPhone. Make sure that you reset network setting of your iPhone. For that, click on setting, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer and reset, click on reset, then click on reset network setting. By doing this, it can fix your problem. You won't lose any of your data on your iPhone. If you have tried all these methods but none of them work, then make sure that you do a factory reset. By doing this, your data will be lost. Make sure that you made a backup of your iPhone, and finally try this last step. So if it's still not working, make sure that you contact to the Apple service to get the help from there. So hope you guys like this video. Hope this video helps you. If it does, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.